The Coanda effect uses the property that air is sticky and will follow any surface, even if it is round, giving functionality to airplane wings, while a ping pong ball can float in a stream of a hairdryer and in our case bladeless fans.